It is a fog, so beautiful, thick and mysterious, that it's impossible to refuse the temptation to record it on video from a drone. Despite the fact at the same time I forgot about its danger and severity, which was a fatal mistake for me. But first things first. For several weeks now I have a drone DJI Mini 2 from Used Market, a video about which you can find on my channel. And one fine autumn day I saw how thick fog enveloped all the lens. Naturally, having such a powerful device, I imagined myself a filmmaker and decided to try to shoot a beautiful footage of fog from a drone. And that's what came. After flying about 4 minutes, I began to notice problems in the flight of the drone. I didn't attach much importance to this and flew for another half a minute, until I saw that the inscription in the DJI application lit up. Engine working failure. The drone after that began to behave very unstable and had to urgently land it. I was very surprised when after landing I saw this. A worthy crust of the ice formed on the blades, and the drone itself was completely covered with a thin layer of frost and water drops. Most likely I think this effect was due to the high concentration of moisture in the air, which caused the participation of water and low temperature, combined with the speed of rotation and cooling, which caused the formation of ice. After it I quickly grabbed my camera and filmed it all. I went to scrub the size of the surface of a drone. After that I dried it well and hoped that it didn't break. Fortunately, after checking I saw that its part and mechanisms were working properly, and I managed to avoid the negative consequences of my aventurism. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was interesting for you. Not saying goodbye.